Welcome back to Pond House Garden. Michelle and Dad and Mom's over here. And today's a special day because we are hanging up the
barred owl
nest box.
nest
Barred
box.
owl nest box. Why are you looking confused?
Because a little bird just flew in there.
Oh, he got distracted.
I got the squirrel.
Squirrel.
Yeah, squirrel. Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what this owl house looks like.
Okay, oh God. This has got to go up once. There's no retakes. I have no idea what's going to happen. Okay. So
stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
It's
I'm going to go get the nest box.
Okay.
Here I go.
It's all a grand experiment. Remember that. All a grand experiment. Oh, I don't know what Mom's pointing at. I dropped something on the ground. Oh, there's the tripod.
Yeah.
We're having quite the day.
See how it goes.
All right, here we go.
Dennis here, Pond House Garden. Just putting a 2x8 up. I got these special lag bolts and boy, they're hard to put in. Anyway, up I go. Did I mention I'm afraid of heights? Oh. There it is, all rigged, ready to go. You notice I took the ladder down because if I didn't take the ladder down, Bart would take the ladder down. But ready for the morning. I can hardly wait. Over and out.
So, there it is. Should I come in there? Or?
Oh. No. Are we insane or what? I'm going to rotate it.
Okay.
I thought you told me it wasn't heavy.
Well, it's not.
Cool.
It's not heavy.
Okay.
No, it's just gross. I don't know.
So, Dad, tell me about it.
Well, it's a nest box.
Yeah.
Got a hook here for that rope.
Hook for the rope.
Yeah, special.
Oh, it's already got some bird poop on it.
Bird poop on it.
And hold on, what's it made of?
Made out of cedar.
Okay.
And
you've got a branch, a large branch. And what kind of branch is this?
That would be a ceder branch.
It's a cedar branch, and the hole has to be a certain size for the
Yeah, this is everybody's right size hole, and then the owl, you have to have it in a place that the owl can come in and up to the nest.
Oh, okay.
So it's got to be clear.
Okay.
Okay, and
yeah.
it's supposed to be 20 feet up, but when you buy a 20-foot ladder, it only reaches 16 feet. It's a con. And to be honest with you, I don't want to go up 20 feet anyway because I'm not thrilled. So let's get this heavy, wonderful nest box over there and hook it onto the pulley that I have, and we will make the necessary adjustments.
Okay, so this is the close-up because we will not be seeing it close-up again. So, little hole there for the owl to go in. No TV inside. Apparently just respite from the rain. And, oh, you've got a clean out
Yeah, that's a cleanup because apparently the babies drop their pellets in the nest box, and like robins and other birds clean out the nest, but these guys don't. It just piles up in there.
Oh, so you have to clean it out.
So I thought I'd put a opening there. They say you can go through the front, but
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
had spare time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
All right,
Okay, let's take it over.
let's take it over.
I've got pulley duty apparently, and Mom's just watching to make sure we don't die. It's a good thing you're wearing your new vest.
um,
Okay, I better get this in place on the tripod and join you. Hold on.
yeah,
Oh.
somebody's got to hold the rope, otherwise it's going to collapse.
Oh, good. Okay.
Okay.
I have the utmost confidence this is going to work. I don't. Let's see how this goes. Okie dokie. This thing's running. I can see Dad. I can see the ladder. I can see the owl house, and
Quit talking and start working, eh?
Okay,
Come on, let's go. All right, you're going to come over here. You're going to hold this rope.
Okay. Can you hold my glasses?
Yes, I
thank you. Can you hold my keys?
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you. Can you hold my will?
There you go.
Come over here. All right.
Okay.
And you're going to pull on this one gently, and that'll go up. I hope the screws up there work.
What is it?
Never done this before.
Which way is it going to go if it falls? You've got a plan?
Got to go like this.
Okay.
And then we lock that in to place like,
Don't try this at home.
all right.
Well, he's not relying on the screw.
All right, we'll get it down.
No, you gotta go underneath it, sir, and kind of help it out. I wouldn't. See,
right.
Unrehearsed. This is what unrehearsed looks like.
Okay.
Okay.
It'll take her up.
Okay. Here we go. Are you gonna walk with it?
Of course I'm gonna walk with it.
Okay.
I have a plan.
Using the ladder. We've got this. Pulley is working so far. Oh, it moved. How you doing, Dad? Okay, this video, whoa, is it ever going to get us some hits?
If I tell you to move, move.
Okay.
Okay, no, not any higher.
Do you have to screw it in? I'm not going to talk.
Okay, lower it down a bit.
I
Oh,
don't know
great.
how to lower it.
Oh. No, you locked. It's got a lock on it. Oh my God.
It's got like a safety lock?
Yeah.
Well, no, it's good. We're safe.
How do you unlock it?
Okay. Do I have to pull it out like this way? Walk with it? And I won't have it.
Okay, just a minute. Stop.
Okay.
Stop. Rita, can you hand me up that stick?
Oh, a stick will help.
This long one?
Yes, that long one. It's got the special red tag
I would
on
like
it.
you, Mom, to take some of this rope and go that way with it.
No,
And
you're fine.
that way, if I need you to be my backup support, because my hands are very cold right now.
Okay, yeah. I'm kind of keeping it taut from you.
Well, not really. No,
I could.
give me a little bit of loose.
Did I slip?
No, you'd hear him go, Yahoo, if it worked.
Okay, now that's good. If you can just hold it there.
Okay. You know, this is not unlike growing up with Dad. And he would just say, just go do it. And we just did. We went on top of roofs and we went in the back of big trucks and we went on top of logs and you just did it. That's what you do. No, those days don't come to an end. We need warming gloves. I mean, we're not like back east, so I'm not complaining, but we are cold. Like my hands are pink right now. This one's a little blue. No, I'm not allowed to pull on it. He said that. Don't pull on it. I just remembered nobody can hear you talking because you don't have a mic. So it sounds like I'm just talking to myself. But I have to entertain myself while I'm down here holding a rope.
That's How are we doing up there?
Dad is the
we're
one with
just-
the other mic, and you're going to hear all the grunting.
We're just doing great.
Is it getting somewhat secure?
No, not yet.
Here comes the windstorm.
Yeah. I thought earlier, I thought, oh no, not today. That one's cold and windy.
It is windy. A barred owl. I'll have to look that up and bring it up on the screen for us right now. What the little guy looks like. And he's got, yeah, he's cute, and he's got quite a little sound to him as well. Dun, 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 dun. It's like elevator music. Inject elevator music.
American, Canadian. Don't leave home without it.
He's up there. Round 2. Round 2. It's on.
I'm just gonna go warm up.
Gotta warm the hands up.
Oh, are we filming? Gotta
We're
warm
filming.
up. Gotta warm up.
We're filming. Time out. Time out.
Don't do this at home.
Okay, we warmed up by the fire, and now we're out for round 3. All right, we have one microphone left to share.
This is the Pond House Garden way. Always use a ladder 2 feet too short. Yeah, so.
Yeah, or don't.
And now it started to snow.
It did. It started to snow. Oh my goodness! Yay!
So we should, maybe we should whip over there with the camera.
Okay, let's finish
So,
this up. Let's.
All right,
Okay,
finish it up. Okay.
1 sec.
So don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. Okay, so we have one microphone to share between. How did you think it went, Rita?
Very well, but I'm very cold. It went a little longer than I thought. I think he said 10 minutes, but it's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a family 10 minutes, which is more like an hour and a bit. Oh, is it ever coming down now? Okay,
Yeah,
so we're gonna finish up and show you. Dad is
look at this. We do get snow here.
No, oh, hold on a second. I see it right behind me. There it is, up in the tree. And then where's Dad? There he is, over there in the shop. Why aren't the two together? I have no idea. Thought we were gonna wind it up and have some coffee, but anyway.
Okay, so the idea of placing the nest box where I placed it, all the experts who are probably just beginners like me say that they want it open so that the owl can come in and swoop up and land. So we don't want a whole bunch of branches to block his entry. And they want to be private. They want to be near water, which they are. We have the pond, obviously. And if we come over here without stepping in the soft stuff, Michelle. Then there's Ozzy. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay.
So it's a long way up in the air.
And what do you think? You'll go in and clean that out quarterly?
I'm gonna get somebody younger. Michelle will probably do
Michelle.
it. She can climb the ladder,
Who
no
nominates
problem.
Michelle? We do.
And there, believe it or not, is a glimpse of the pond and the lantern. So apparently they eat little amphibians and stuff.
They've got a good
They eat everything. They have, yeah, so that's good. All right, over and out.
Okay, we are a bit too premature on the over and out
Oh, yeah,
because we
shouldn't
have to say, oh, you're in there too?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I'm
come on.
in.
Oh, we know.
Okay,
Okay.
It's so
okay,
cold.
it's cold.
It's cold.
Um,
Okay. All right.
I hope they enjoy it. I don't know what the rent will be, but if you do this, get somebody much younger than us to do it,
I agree.
because I don't do heights at all.
You did very well with your
yeah,
heights
she did.
today.
Yeah,
but
he
the
did.
claw marks are still up in the tree where I was hanging on for dear life.
Well, and I knew I wasn't supporting the ladder. I was just giving you moral support
Moral
more than
support,
anything.
yeah,
so.
drop, yeah, sure thing. Okay.
But we got it done, and the barred owl can move in anytime. So
Yeah.
we hope you enjoyed learning a little bit today and watching our shenanigans here at the farm. And if you want to see more videos, just like and subscribe to our Pond House Garden channel.
And spring is coming.
Spring is coming.
Oh.
See you soon.
I'm cold.
Bye. Look at this. Look at this. What can I see? There it is. There it is. Excellent. Can see the barred owl from inside the library.